Hello guys, in this video today we are talking about Spinoraptor, height or other facts. So guys, watch video until the end and don't forget guys, like this video, subscribe my channel and turn on bell notification so you don't miss any update. So guys, let's get started this video. Spinoraptor is a hybrid dinosaur of Spinosaurus or utharaptor DNA. And in this case, this was very fast and powerful hybrid. Spinosaurus Spinoraptor was conceived by Jurassic World normalization. Jurassic World evolution. In this was very fast dinosaur because its speed touched 40 km per hour and its height is according to 10 feet tall and he can stay both land on water and its bite force is according to 1 ton of bite force. Spinosaurus have very sharp claws that can cut enemy skins and feeds claw and teeth can bite everything. But he was very intelligent and lived in through packs and hunt and confuse their enemies like raptors. Spinoraptor visions are very high because he can watch at the night. So guys, that's it. Don't forget guys, like this if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and we will meet next video. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video.